in this video we will take a look how to make a round in discount. I click on a table and open the payment screen. I write the amount of the money that I want to make a round. I wrote 7.5 now and click on round button, and as you can see now it made it and it shows in the end of the ticket. And if you want, you can click on this the round button and you can take it back, this process. Or if you want, you can make another round discount, and for example let's write 27.5 and click on round, and now the second round discount also has finished, and you can take the payment and finish the process.